Hey everyone, welcome back to the workshop. Artisan Power here, and in today's short video we're going to be giving even more amazing sticker swap shoutouts. I've got a bunch of new stickers to add to the wall, and I've also got some goodies in the mail that I want to show you guys. As you guys know, I have already had to enlarge the sticker swap sticker wall. I never thought it would get full, and this is just a wall of motivation for me to look at when I'm working here on the workbench. I can look up and just be inspired by all the amazing people that I've gotten to know through the maker and woodworking community. But right now what I'm going to do is give a bunch of sticker swap shout outs, and then we're going to throw them up on the wall. The first shout out I'd like to give is to Dusty's Tools. Cutting Edge Rustic Flags and Woodworks. AGS Woodworks, established 2018. R. Humphrey Woodworking, an amazing wood turner. I love watching his videos on YouTube and the attention to detail that he has. Really awesome. The Custom Flag Man, home of the $25 banner, free design, free ship. He made me the Artisan Pirate banner that I have and I take with me when I go places. Really awesome. If you guys need a banner or a flag, I highly encourage you to check him out. Parks Electric. Chris's Workshop. Metabo Tools, Durability First. They sent me out 2 of these big amazing bumper sticker style stickers, and then they also sent me 2 of these I Love Metabo Tools stickers. I'll be adding one of the smaller stickers to the wall, and I'll be hanging the bigger sticker up somewhere with thumbtacks in the workshop. Rooster Shed Wood Shop. Nice little logo there. Klingspor Woodworking Shop, abrasive and proud of it. I've been to 2 of the 4 stores they have here in North Carolina. I've been to the Hickory and then the Cary store, and I've also got a pencil with their logo on it. Really cool. Buena Vida Designs, and they also sent me a leather American flag, which is really cool. I'll hang this above the scroll saw under my Jimmy DiResta patch that he sent me. And they also sent me a business card that looks like it's laser engraved, so that's really awesome. And then I've got a Firehouse Subs sticker along with a Firehouse Subs pickle bucket. Really awesome. They were selling these buckets, and all the proceeds for the buckets went to a great cause, so that was really awesome to support that and get another bucket from my collection. JB Woodcraft, established 2017. And he included this Saber Diamond Tools guide with all the measurements for the tools on here, which is really cool, really awesome. Lost Ark Video Games, a amazing video game store in Greensboro, North Carolina that's always worth a visit. Coasty Wood Shop, established 2020. Viking Family Wood Shop, and I really love the Viking Shield logo here. Really awesome. KC Tool, and they actually sent me out a fan pack that also had this in it, and they're calling this a bit of thanks, and it had one of their Phillips head drivers in it for drills and drivers, so that's really awesome. And then they also sent me out a t-shirt in my size. Really awesome. I really look forward to wearing that when it gets cooler, wearing the end of summer here, and it's really hot and humid about every day here in North Carolina. Crosscut Woodworks. Peter Brown Shop Time, and I always love watching his videos, the things that he can cast in resin and then put over on the lathe. It's really awesome, and I really love watching the videos from his channel. And Tetra Electric. Wow, that was a lot of amazing stickers. Right now, what I'm going to do, as always, is get all these new and amazing stickers up on the Stickerswap sticker wall. All of the new stickers are up on the Stickerswap sticker wall, and as you can see, I've already had to add 2 of the new stickers down on the new addition to the Stickerswap sticker wall, that new board at the bottom. The top one is all but full. I think maybe I can get 2 or 3 small little stickers up there. If I get some smaller stickers in, I think they'll fit up there. Otherwise, we're going to start filling up the bottom board, and as always, this is just a wall of motivation for me, everyone. When I look at this, when I'm working on the workbench, when I take a break to get something to drink, a sip of water or something, and I look up at this, it just inspires me that much more to do better with my craft and my trade. And I just love networking and talking to all these amazing makers and people. As always, with this type of video, I will leave links down in the description box for everyone's Instagram page that I can find down in the description, so you can go follow them, swap with them, network with them, collect stickers, and just make some awesome new friends. That's about all for this video. Remember guys, if I can make it or do it, so can you. I'm the Artisan Pirate. Take care, and I'll see you guys real soon.